How to apply Whataburger promo code. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and search for Whataburger promo code. You're going to find different websites that is going to offer you the promo code. You want to click on any one of them. I have selected the one which is coupons.com. Here you want to scroll down and find the deal which is best for you. Click on the option of see coupon once you have found the deal that you want to get. Once you click on this option, you will be able to find the promo code. You're also going to find different details about the offer. Check the details carefully. If you want to use this promo code, simply click on the option of copy code. Once the code has been copied, click on the option of go to store. That is going to open up the official website of Whataburger. Then over here, you want to explore the website and find the items that you want to order. Once you have added all the items you want to purchase, proceed to the checkout page. You can do that by clicking on the cart icon at the top of your screen. Then, while you are checking out, you want to click on the option of promo code. Carefully enter the promo code that you have copied. After you have entered it, you want to click on the apply option. Once applied, verify that the discount associated with the promo code has been applied to your order total. You should see the discount reflected in the updated total. If everything looks good, proceed to complete your order by providing any additional required information and selecting your preferred payment method. Once your order is confirmed and processed, you can enjoy your Whataburger meal at the discounted price thanks to the promo code. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.